Hi everyone, this is Professor Mughal here again. In about 12 months of time, I have published nearly 150 videos, and I keep getting requests from people like you who want me to do projects on certain topics. And I realize now that some of those topics on which people would want me to create these projects, I've already created those projects many months ago. So I thought maybe my subscribers or my followers don't know exactly how to navigate through my channel and how they can find resources they are looking for. By the way, I also would like to thank everyone. Now I have more than 1,000 subscribers, and this would not have been possible without the support from you all. I never thought a year ago when I started this channel that I would have this much of support, so I thank you again for doing that. And today's tutorial is I want to give you a virtual tour of my YouTube channel and other social platforms such as Facebook and Instagram that I use in order to promote my YouTube channel and share some of the resources that I already have on YouTube. Actually, everything I have on YouTube, you can also find that on Facebook. I'm now slowly catching up on Instagram, but surely you can find everything on Facebook also. We will start with YouTube first. So when you log into my channel, when you log into your YouTube and go to my channel, this is how it will appear on the screen. Okay, so this is my home page, and those of you who are new to my channel, there are three components of my channel. The first component is electronics project. Okay, and in electronic projects I do FPGAs and Arduinos and Raspberry Pis and whatnot. Okay, so what you see on the screen, these are the list of, these are basically FPGAs. Okay, all these videos, and one unique thing about these videos is actually the thumbnail. If you notice the thumbnail, there is kind of they look purple. There's a theme about it. Okay, they look purplish in color, and those are based on all these projects are based on FPGAs. So if you look at that thumbnail, you would know that this is an FPGA video on my channel. Similarly, if you move down, here are more electronics projects right here, and these are in different topics. Similarly, I have simulation, which is the second component of my YouTube channel. All the Tinkercad videos will have this yellowish greenish looking thumbnail, and then also have MATLAB, and I'm trying to do some other softwares now, Multisim and Proteus. The third component of my YouTube channel is actually the lecture series, in which I started out with data electronics. I nearly have like 24 lectures. Each of that lecture is like 50 minutes long. So if I go to, say, lecture number 21, which is right here, counters and finite state machines, one thing about these lectures is in the description. Since these are very long lectures, 50 minutes, and I don't want you to get stuck in there and you don't find something that you are looking for or something that you find useful for yourself, there's a table of content, there's a timeline for each and every video. Okay, so here I talk about introduction to Moore and Mealy machine, and then a couple of minutes later we do an example of 2-bit synchronous up-down counter, and then finally 22 minutes and 13 seconds we do FSM, a finite state machine, basically creating an elevator. At the bottom you will also find some of the links and other resources that I share with you, and at the top the description of what this video is all about. The unique thing about these lecture series is you will actually find a supporting material in each description box underneath each lecture video. And what this is, as I am teaching, you would notice I'm actually a blank sheet of paper. You can actually download this supporting material, print it off if you have a printer, and then you can fill it while I'm actually explaining it. And that's a great way to learn and implement, and it stays in your mind because you are doing it real time. So this is a great opportunity for you to learn these different topics in data electronics. I'm also working on introduction to electric circuits, which is a new lecture series. I have already uploaded about nearly 42 lectures in there, and I'll show you. If you go to video tabs, these are some of my latest videos. Okay, and again, if you notice, there is a specific theme in the thumbnail. They look orangish. I don't know if you would call it orangish and turquoise looking color. That's the introduction to digital circuit series, and a compared to the digital electronics series, these lecture videos are very small. I kept it 7 to 10 minutes, so you can, have your concentration hold on to these lectures. They're not very too long, but they cover very deep, concepts such as BJTs and operating regions and other semiconductor devices, and starting off with the very basic electric circuits. Also, I have playlist. If you go to playlist, I have the playlist for electric circuits right here. I also share some of my personal life stories, which you can find under personal. I also do some online education remote learning tools like Microsoft Teams, OBS Studio, Zoom. You'll find tutorials related to that, and some other playlists also. But what I would want you is try to navigate through my channel, look at some of the videos and playlists, and that will be a best way for you to see what is in there. Here are some more simulation. This is right here, Digital Circuit Simulator. I did a series on it. There are 5 parts to it. And similarly, if you scroll down right here, you will notice that all the digital electronics lecture, they have a similar color scheme thumbnail. Okay, so it's very easy to distinguish between the 3 components from my channel: the electronics projects, second is simulation, and also the lecture series. And for each topic within the sub electrical and computer engineering field, is a different color scheme for thumbnail. Okay, so now also in the community section, I do sometimes post stuff. Because I've just recently got 1,000 subscribers, now I have ability to communicate with you in advance through community. I can post what are the future videos that will come out and talk about them, or any recent upload that I would do. I would also create a post. For example, this is a part 2 of the seminar series which we started August 10. Every 2 weeks I'm going to be uploading a lecture which will be given by speaker from industry, and they're going to share their engineering work experience. Okay, so here are some of the examples of those posts that I've been sharing. Like I said, again, it's been a pleasure helping you guys, and I have really enjoyed my time, and I love doing, because I'm able to make a difference to the life of a lot of people, which I never thought before this. Now I'm gonna move on to now Facebook. On Facebook, I have the same name that I have for my YouTube channel, Electronics with Professor Mughal. One of the good things about Facebook is because it's easy for me to post a picture or a meme or a graphic or a video on Facebook. You'll find more stuff on Facebook in a way that I do share funny memes. I do talk about sometimes about my personal life, and I upload it on my Facebook page. So I really want you to please like and subscribe to the Facebook page. Everything on YouTube is also there in Facebook. I made sure that I'm organized, so you can also find the same playlist that I have on YouTube on Facebook as well. So here's again the part 2 of the seminar series posted on Facebook. This recently came out this past weekend. Okay, and here are some of the graphics that I do. By the way, Pinterest, I don't know how do you say that, but yeah, that is a great resource to learn by graphic. They have got funny memes related to different topics. If you like to learn by analogies, they got that stuff also, and I use that to explain concept to students. I also have an Instagram page, Electronics with Professor Mughal. Like I said earlier, I'm catching up on it. I don't have everything on it, but eventually I'll be putting everything I have on Facebook or YouTube onto my Instagram page as well. So if you're an Instagram fan, then you can follow me over there also. And most recently, what I have started doing over here, so I'm gonna pull one video over here. This is one of my top videos. I get very good response on this. This is the FPGA for beginners, how to get started with Basis 3 board and Vivado software. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the description, and again, like I said, each video will have the table of contents. If you're not switched to or interested in any particular topic. Like if you're only interested like how to implement a code onto a basis 3 board, you can just directly go to 2229 and then watch the video from there. I have recently started putting in a Patreon. This is actually, if you like to support the content and if you think that I've been able to make a difference in your life, or you have found my lectures really helpful, you can support it. Support the content in any way you like. It could be in the amount of $1, $2, $3, or whatever you feel like. It could be a monthly subscription, or it could be a one-time payment. Patreon allows me to connect with people like you who can become patron and then support me in this way. And what do I give you guys in return? Well, if you become a patron, then I have set different tiers. Okay, for example, on your screen right here you see this tier is for the electronics projects. In this electronic project, I will basically be allowing you to get access to all the schematics and codes. I'll also allow you to share my step-by-step instructional videos, and also one-on-one Zoom session, all for $3 a month. And example projects: traffic light signal, fingerprint sensing, door locking system, can and plastic sorting machine. These are the projects, these are the advanced, intermediate, advanced level project that you could do for your any advanced level engineering course. I have another tier. This is a lecture series, digital electronics. If you can pay $3 per month and you get access to this lecture series. Again, what are the perks? Well, you get access to supporting material that I just showed you earlier, one-on-one help session over Zoom if you are struggling with some concept, and step-by-step instructional videos. And by the way, this for now, for next couple of weeks, is offered for only 99 cents for everything. Okay, and similarly, I got one more tier. This is for the FPGA projects because they require a lot of stuff, a lot of hard work that goes into it. Here's the sample projects you'll get access to, like digital clock, up counters, UART communication, and with all these projects comes access to Verilog codes, step-by-step instructional videos, and one-on-one session on Zoom. Okay, so these are the perks of becoming a patron. And again, for $1 a month or $2 a month, whatever you want to choose, you can get access to these resources. With this, I want to end this video, and I thank you again for your support. Again, this would not have been possible without the support from you all. So stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and please spread the word. Tell your engineering friends, class fellows, and classmates. Join Electronics with Professor Mughal. Enjoy your rest of the week, and good luck for the school. I know this was the first week when school got started. Good luck. See you later. Bye.